Hey everyone, Dr. Chris here, and this week we are learning about your innate intelligence. You may not have heard that term, you maybe heard us speak about it, maybe you came to a workshop where we talk a lot about it, but you at least know that you come here to Innate Family Chiropractic. So the word innate, it means inborn, something from within. And your intelligence, well, that's how your body is functioning, that's the internal workings. And we say as chiropractors, your innate intelligence resides within your nervous system. So your nervous system is your brain, your spinal cord, and all the spinal nerves that go to every cell, tissue, and organ in your body. So your innate intelligence is magical. Here's why. Let's take an example of food. Let's say you ate something today. Maybe you're eating something right now while you're watching this video. Well, once you eat it, once you've done the active job of selecting what you're going to eat, chewing it, it's gone. You swallow it and you don't think about it again. Because your body takes over from there. Your body breaks it down, your body sorts it out, it decides, am I going to keep this for nutrients, am I going to get rid of this for waste? Your body does all those fancy things. Let's think about oxygen. Oxygen, you breathe it in, it goes into your lungs, and then your lungs push that oxygen into your bloodstream. And what it doesn't want, you breathe out as carbon dioxide. That's intelligent too. All these workings of our body happen without us having to think about it. Imagine we have to think about our heart beating. Like just me doing this video, I'd probably pass out because I forgot for a second while I'm talking. Heartbeat, 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 heartbeat. There's so much going on that's, the level of wisdom we would need to be able to control that with our own minds is like unfathomable. So we thank our innate intelligence and we know a couple things about it. Our innate intelligence is always pushing us towards normal. The big fancy word is homeostasis, which is balance within our body. Like a couple things you already know, I'm sure, is our body is supposed to be a certain temperature. We go too high, it's a fever. We go too low, we don't want to do that either. So we're supposed to live within a certain range. Well, our innate intelligence, our internal homeostasis or that balance is working to stay within that range. We are supposed to have a certain pH in our blood. We're supposed to have a certain, this, that, and the other within our system. So all that stuff, your innate intelligence is taking care of it. Do you know what stops your innate intelligence from working at its best? Think about it. Think about it. No? Okay, I'll tell you. It's a subluxation. A subluxation, it directly impacts your nerves and your nervous system, which inhibits your body. I can speak. Hold on. Back it up. A subluxation inhibits your body's ability to self-heal and self-regulate. Those two things are critical. If you're not at your best when it comes to self-healing and self-regulating, well, your body's not going to function like it's supposed to. We want it to function at its best. If you're subluxated, your nervous system is just not functioning at its best. So every time you get adjusted, you're allowing your innate intelligence to work at its best. Simple. It's simple, it's elegant, it's perfect in everything that it is because it just allows you to live and function at normal. So many people, the masses of our society, don't get adjusted, so we know inherently that they're subluxated to an extent and they're just not operating at their best. I wish everyone was getting adjusted so we were all up here at this level playing field of good, normal, healthy function. That would be fantastic. And you see it play out on your scans when you go from like super colorful to less colorful. And you see that change going closer to the white bars. Or on your HRV, if you're far away from that green box and you start to get closer, that's your body and your innate intelligence working to keep you functioning at its best. So, after you watch this video, get ready for a pop quiz. Myself or Dr. Donna are going to ask you what you learned about your innate intelligence from this video. So get ready, think about a talking point we're going to ask you this week. See ya. Bye.